Hello everyone, welcome back to the Lost in Space Toolkit. Glad you guys can make it. So day 2, we went over connecting the LED light to the breadboard to the microcontroller. So right now you can see that the LED light is turned on. And when you take out the cord, you can see that the light turns off. Then when you connect it again, it turns back on. Now for day 3, we're gonna incorporate a switch to this breadboard and utilize the switch to turn off and on the light to essentially save energy when you don't need the light on in your spaceship. Okay, now we're gonna here's our switch, and then we also need let's see here, a 10K ohm resistor. We're gonna grab that from the kids here on the 10K. Take it off right in the pile here. And we will also need 2 more cords to connect the switch to the board. And as always, it may be best for you to watch this video fully on YouTube so that you can see everything that's going on. Okay, so I'm gonna make some adjustments here. So I'm gonna disconnect the board from the computer, and I'm gonna do like what they have here in the diagram. So we're gonna make sure the LED light is connected to pin 12 because that's where the pole is going to. The other part is the ground. Okay, so now we're gonna connect the switch. So the switch button number 1, this is going to be connected to our 5 volts. Same thing, but we're going to connect it to pin 2. And let's not forget our resistor. We're going to add one more cord to connect the LED light to ground. Alright, so looks like everything is connected. Now we're going to copy and paste the code from the web page into Arduino. Alright, now that's been copied and pasted, we're gonna verify this code here. And it's now done verifying. I'm gonna make sure it's on the right port. Okay. Well, actually, we have to connect our board back to our computer so that we can see the port. So now, yep, there it is, number 15. So now I forgot which board they said this is. Let's see what they said.
Inventor.io/downloads. Inventor USB drivers from the link. Install, and that's just If it's not, you can also just type in Arduino. And if so, for real quick, just to make sure everything's installed correctly, I'm going to plug in the board, and then I'm going to upload a sample code of Blink to the board to make sure that everything is working properly. And to do that, I'm going to go to File, Examples. I'm going to go to Basics, and I'm going to click on the Blink file. And then I'm going to go to Tools. I'm going to go to Board and make sure that Arduino Uno.
Okay, so we're supposed to have Arduino Uno. So let's see if that's in our list. All right, there it is. Let's try this again. Okay, so now we're gonna verify it again, and okay, so everything's good there. So now we're gonna upload it. To the board. I'm gonna see if it functions correctly. So what we're looking for is if the switch will turn it off and on. And that will be switch number 1 as shown on the other screen. So we're gonna minimize Arduino and see if the switch works. And there it is. It has turned on. And I'm gonna switch again. It should turn Okay, there it is. Now it's off. I'm gonna turn it again. There it is. And it's on again with the switch. Alright, so the code works correctly. So I guess this is how we can save energy in our spacecraft with having some light switches to turn the light on and off. And of course, if you want to see the full video with code and the full screen, definitely check out the YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm going to say thank you all for coming in to this live stream of the switch of turning the LED light on and off.